everybody, we need our bobs, okay? Perfect, guys, because this wig came with the not bleach already. It already had a part in it. I did not have to part it. It came just like this. It came cut already, literally a perfect cut. Look at it. It doesn't look too heavy. Like, you know, some bobs, when you cut it, it just looks crazy. And if it's not cut right, it's gonna be stiff. And this wig is not stiff. Look at it. It's so nice. So another thing, guys, I did not glue this wig down. This wig is on here. Look, it doesn't move. So look at it. Oh my God, look at the luster in the hair, guys.